2007 Toyota 4Runner, engine size for oil. How to replace AC compressor, oil AC compressor, 5 out and on 0.14 liter. First time we remove the battery. And remove the alternator. And remove the whole AC compressor. Remove this one, 2, 3, 4 bolt. With the connect. And remove the AC compressor. AC compressor. With the new AC compressor. Check and make sure same the tonnage. And in the total AC compressor. Tighten this bolt and bolt here. And put the connect. Clean the hole. And put hole here. This hole here. And this is to the alternate. Upper hole to right there. Thank you watching video. If you like, subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I could give you, I'm appreciate when you subscribe for me. Thank you.